Me now watch another game. Me now want you not about it. Damn it. Me now laugh. If you are watching this video, that means say the Reggae Boys have drawn or lost to Honduras. Cause I feel them think that Jamaican people are ball. Whoa. Them a say whoa. Rise up, me nah get up. Shine and take your place. Which place? Another one in our World Cup. Shine like the sun, more like the moon. Your journey has just begun, more like it's soon done. Me I go say what me need to say. I mean no want nobody vex. And if you vex, me no business. Man a yardy, you know say we no hide no. And when we fi talk it truth, we a go talk the truth. Let me say this first. Me can't do none of no job. I am not a footballer and I am not a coach. But I am a Jamaican and I am a spectator. So me I go Jamaica and me I go spectate and me I go commentate on the Reggae Boys football team and all the madness when me see a go on. I want to cuss some clock. I want to cuss some clock. But me not go cuss none. Me not go cuss no clock. I don't call me temper. Me no know what he say. Me honestly there so and I wonder. People who can't tell me how obia Jamaica football team. How obia the Reggae Boys them. The last time the Reggae Boys reached a blows and skirt World Cup and 98 you know. 98 under Rene Simai, the brother from Brazil. Let me tell you something. You see this blasted. You see, just like how the Lakers now go reach another finals unless Phil Jackson, Guba, and so Reggae Boys now go reach another more World Cup unless they find one coach we can coach football, we live, eat, breathe, sleep, drink, piss, shit, football. Me don't know. I must obey Jamaica football team. Me honestly feel like say we don't need some serious prayer. We don't need prayer. If I pray, I don't need Linky Church because me can't figure out how all the players them able to do a draw or lose. Una artist, una Michelangelo, una Picasso, who no be? Me couldn't love draw so. Una what na? Me couldn't love draw so. If it's not a lose, it's a draw. And the first set of man them when me see love he lose it. So any match them play, if it's not a draw, them gonna lose it. To anybody out there who is seeking to lose some weight or lose anything, if you have a person woman and you want to lose it, if you have a person man and you want to lose it, link the Reggae Boys cause they will definitely help you to lose it. If I not draw, hello. Want to win. Uno make me talk, make me say what me say. Because that's how most Jamaicans feel right now. And you can't get no more Jamaican than me. Listen to me, man. Me I beg one to talk to me and tell me what is the problem. If I the player them my problem, uno get some new players. But then again, I can't the players are a problem because everybody are talk about how this side talented. So since them talented now, alright? So where problem I come from? I coaching staff, Mr. Whitmore. You did play on this side when Rene Simais did a run the Reggae Boy thing. You should have at least bring over some knowledge from him to can show the youth them how to qualify and not lose so much damn match. The match against Mexico, me never watch because me know say it's a certain lose. We play Mexico how much time, and you know how much time out of that we lose? Almost 10 to backside. I want make me piss, want make me mad at the match versus USA the other night. Me actually get up and sit down there and watch him match. Wanna make me cause some bad word that night there. Jeez and peace. Look here, wanna make the man them score. Dean, they don't know equalize. And in the last couple minutes I game, wanna make the friggin' man them score another goal. Me say, wanna make me be a coach I team for one. If a coaching I problem, let me run the coaching for one. You see, I'll have to lose so when night, I'll tell them still a run. Still a run. Listen to me, whatever the problem is with that football squad, with the Reggae Boys that we Jamaicans love so dearly, you better fix it. It look like every problem where they have always start second half. At second half, you come out and play the most players. Let me say something to you. You see, if you not hungry for the winning, if you no mindset not there to win, you think you not go win, the only target on all are people in a crowd and goal post. Nobody know if you find net. I mean here, Wally Pataka go on about Tuffy Anderson. If the brother is such an immaculate, a magnificent player, why the hell the man not there on his squad? Why? You don't ever see Lakers a player without Kobe. If it's a player where the man them on his squad look up to, where the man them respect, where the man them love to play ball because when him there out there, him take control of things and just bring a nice nice vibe. How the hell the man no dey pan his squad? Father help me here today. Help me here today fi no cost no clock. No need some holy water. They need to carry no go River Jordan and wash the whole team. Because me no understand how uno so salt. Uno salt. When people pay them good money to see reggae boys them win, how no go draw or lose. Uno think say some money come, uno think say an easy thing for a man take up a 15 bills so you can see uno lose. A quick message from Mr. Theodore Whitmore. You see when the reggae boys lose or draw, when they did that do wrong in a first half, when they get second half break, you feel correct. And nobody chat off your mouth and talk foolishness. Nobody go up on TV and talk, oh yo, me never send nobody over there so I me tell him say over there so if you play and blur, boom boom. And another thing, don't cry me so with more. Why the damn reggae boys can't score? You can't win a game like that. Alright now my Ross head hot. Just like every Jamaican here and abroad, I would love to see the reggae boys in another World Cup. But based on how the squad are run right now, I don't know if that's gonna happen anytime soon. Quick message there, Mr. Neville Bell, sir. I think you have done enough with schoolboy football, and I would like for you to lend some of your knowledge, some of what you use to win all of those championships for Georgie to Mr. Theodore Whitmore. And if they will allow you, I would like for you to sign up for the position of coach for the Jamaica reggae boy. Me can't say no more. Me gone. Backside. Me need about 17 white rum now for drop and sleep tonight. Lydia. Yes, man.